There you go. So in my last video, I'm not sure if I'll tie them together or not, but I was talking about the bend and how in the background you'll see that it can hit the first things in the background, quite a few going around it, right? Like that's pretty common. Like you'll find that, I'll find that probably at least once every time I go out, multiple times usually. I've been thinking quite a bit about, I never intended this to be like a job or, YouTube and this type of stuff. And it was more for just, for a place to store my videos. And, I can easily go back and look at them again. And another reason was because my passion for this and what I absolutely love it out here and finding this stuff. And I love nature. So I figured others would have the same passion, and if somebody found enjoyment in it, that was something that's good, so, but I keep thinking, I do love doing this, and there is a way to make money through YouTube, and there definitely have to be some fears that I'd have to push through to make my channel grow, which would be good too, because then I'd have to face my fears. And I'd definitely do it, there's ways you can do your videos to make them not so long and like kind of do steps at a time so it don't get boring for people. And it's really neat in here. One of the things that I want to do is put my face on camera more. And that's one of my things that makes me nervous. So what you guys are looking at here, it's pretty much all cedars for the most part. There's some birch in here, but it's mainly a cedar swamp. Well, guys, I'm going to stop the video here unless I come across something really good. Bye.